Auto-reversing juicing cones provide maximum juice extraction. Adjustable pulp control with Pulp Basket. Pulp collects in the removable basket so you can throw it out or use it in other recipes. Easy to read measurement. Markings on the clear juice container makes juicing for recipes easy. Drip-free Pour Spout. The container doubles as a pitcher, complete with handle and spout. Clear view juice container. The durable plastic container is clear so you can easily see the yield of each piece of citrus. The BLACK+DECKER Citrus Juicer features two self-reversing cones that squeeze every drop of juice from your favorite citrus. The small cone squeezes more juice from small fruits like oranges, lemons and limes, while the large cone is perfect for grapefruit. Adjustable pulp control lets you get the amount of pulp you want, and built-in cord storage keeps the cord neat and out of the way. All parts are dishwasher safe for fast and easy cleanup. Included components: juicer, storage cover. Top reviews from the United States. I love this juicer. My sister had broken my hand juicer and I'm always making lemonade. I'm so happy I ordered this. Within around 15 to 20 minutes I had 2 full bags of lemons juiced, and it's so easy to pour from this. I was able to pour right into ice cube trays for freezing and using later. It cleans super easy and doesn't take up much counter space at all. Highly recommend.